Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Dr. Sherman Fung. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of biotechnology, specifically Hong Kong's ambitious journey to become a global biopharma hub. Hong Kong is known for its dynamic economy and bustling financial services, but there's a new player in town: biotechnology. The Hong Kong Science and Technology Parks Corporation, or HKSTP, is showcasing the city on the global biotech stage. They've been actively participating in major events like BIO 2024, presenting innovative products and services from Hong Kong-based companies. This is a huge move, putting Hong Kong on the map as a potential biotech leader. The delegation to BIO 2024 features a diverse range of companies. From established giants to promising startups, these players are driving innovation in everything from drug discovery to Chinese herbal medicine development. HKSTP isn't stopping there. They're also organizing a biotechnology tour in Los Angeles to absorb insights from Southern California's vibrant biotech ecosystem. This proactive approach is all about fostering collaboration and knowledge exchange, essential for Hong Kong's biotech aspirations. But showcasing potential is just one piece of the puzzle. Investments and strategic partnerships are crucial to fueling growth. Enter the Hong Kong Investment Corporation, or HKIC. They're making significant strides through strategic investments, like their recent partnership with Biomap, a biotech startup founded by Baidu's Robin Li. The establishment of Biomap InnoHub aims to accelerate over 50 early-stage R&D projects in life sciences. This partnership is more than just injecting capital. It's about leveraging expertise and attracting further investments from overseas. It aligns perfectly with Hong Kong's ambition to become a leading tech hub. By supporting startups and fostering innovation, HKIC is actively contributing to a thriving biotech ecosystem. This in turn attracts global talent and investment, crucial for long-term success. Now let's zoom out a bit and look at China's broader biopharma landscape. China is undergoing a significant transformation, shifting from generic drugs to innovation-driven drug discovery. There's been a surge in market value of Chinese biopharma companies, increased IPOs, and more new drug discoveries. Several factors contribute to this growth: regulatory reforms, bioclusters, the return of skilled professionals, and increased access to capital markets. The China Drug Innovation Index highlights improvements in regulatory environment, funding opportunities, R&D capabilities, and global market integration. However, challenges persist, like slow market access for new drugs. So what does Hong Kong need to do to complete its biopharma ecosystem? First, regulatory reforms are key. Simplifying approval processes for new drugs can make a big difference. Second, fostering bioclusters to create a supportive environment for startups. Third, attracting global talent and facilitating the return of overseas professionals. And finally, increasing access to capital markets to fuel innovation and growth. Hong Kong has the potential, the ambition, and is making strides in the right direction. With the right moves, it could very well become a leading global biopharma hub. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.